What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nio with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So on this channel, we look at the chart to keep our emotions in check because the charts are our reality. That's the only thing we look at on this channel. We don't care about the stimulus that they just released. We don't care about any EV deliveries or anything like that. This is a very bearish stock and is headed lower. So you see that, the stimulus thing came out, the news, and look at the price is already dropping lower because the traders don't really care about that. They just look at the price. If the price somehow changes direction, then they will follow it. If the price continues to trend down lower, they're going to look for short opportunities. It's just simple as that. You trade with the trend most of the time. And right now the trend is towards the downside. So you see that price is still below the EMA, still below this big downward trend line, still below the $7 support level. So if price comes back to it, it can act as resistance. This is still a very bearish looking chart. So we're at the low sixes. We're probably going to hit the fives again, maybe sometime today or even later this week. But as right now, it's headed lower. And the next target would be, the next strongest support would be right back over here at the low fives, high fours, and then probably the all-time lows like it was back in October 2019. So again, it's still a bearish looking chart for Nio. So that's what I see on the daily chart. If we do pull back, then again, don't get all excited and stuff because there are resistance levels like I mentioned before. We need to see a strong breakout of these resistance levels, something like this, meaning a push up through the $8-9 level for this to change directions. As right now, if it just pulls back to the low sevens, then this is still a breakout pullback to continue trend down lower. So Nio is still very bearish. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that this week is looking like a tail bar. Price traded all the way up to the 685, got rejected, and it's trading near the lows of the candlestick formation. And you can see that there is support at lower price levels. So I don't think there are any buyers at this level right now. They're probably waiting for lower price levels. So this is still a downtrend for Nio, below the EMA, below the trend line, below the 7-0 level. What can I say that's bullish about this chart? Not much, except for maybe sometime in the near future around these lower price levels, we could finally see a bottom for Nio. And usually this is like a pop bubble. So again, it's been going down for a long time, but usually when a bubble pops, it'll just stagnate at the same low that it started the bubble from. And that means they'll probably trade around, the sub $5 level for a while before reversing higher or just continue trending down lower. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, that's usually what occurs. And we'll see price can get there. It's not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in the market. No one is 100%. But I mean, it's likely that price will continue to trend down lower, then stop right now where we are on the chart and just reverse higher. So that's how I'm looking at Nio on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.